Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Acorns app, beginner guide step by step clearly.
To begin, unlock your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store.
In the search bar, type Acorns.
Locate the Acorns app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Select the button that says Install or Get. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You'll be greeted with an introductory screen. Here, you can read through the app's features and benefits. When you're ready, tap Get Started. Next, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password.
Make sure to use a strong password for your security.
After entering your details, tap Continue. Now, you'll be prompted to provide personal information. Input your full name and date of birth. Next, enter your home address and social security number. This information is needed for compliance and account verification. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, tap Continue.
You'll then receive a screen for account funding options.
Select your preferred method for funding your investments.
You can link a bank account or use a debit card.
Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your funding source. After successfully linking your account, you'll need to choose a portfolio type. You can select options based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Review your choices and tap Continue.
Next, read through the terms and conditions.
If you agree, check the box to accept them. Tap Continue to finalize your account setup. Congratulations, your Acorns account is now created. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. You can set up automatic roundups to save and invest spare change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.